with a match and a name. A whisper in the dark, born without shame. The streets raise him cold and wide, where every friend's a ghost, every truth's a lie. Boots heavy with the weight of sin, each step a prayer will never begin. The neon buzz is like a dying flame, and every stranger knows his name. His coat smells like whiskey and rain, his hands built from loss and pain. He don't speak much, he just lights a smoke and breathes in the silence of hearts he broke.